Do you agree that English is not about big words or big sentences? It is just about right sentences and just simple words. If yes, then comment me in the comment box that you are agree with this. And let's start our video. Let's dive into our main video without squandering our single second of time. So in this video, I will tell you 5 simple sentences which you need to use in your daily life. And these sentences are very simple to use and easy to use. So let's learn these sentences. So the first one is, I'll get back to you. It means, okay, now let me explain the right meaning of this. Okay, I'll get back to you means like someone asks you a question but you don't know the right answer of that question, and you want to escape yourself somehow. So at that time you can easily say that I'll get back to you, let me think for a second. I'll get back to you, let me think for a second. And now you got your second sentence, that is let me think for a second. It means you are like someone asked you a question but you want to think about that. Okay, you want to think about that. So at that time you can say that let me think for a second, give me some time, let me think for a second. Now the third sentence is I'll manage or I will manage. It means there is some kind of situation and you know how to manage that situation. You don't need any kind of help. So at that time you could easily say that I will manage. And these sentences are very simple to use and you can use in your daily life. And I know that these sentences can easily used by anyone. Okay, now the next is I didn't mean that. It means I don't want to say that. Like what I was saying, I didn't mean that. For example, you are saying something but someone like understand that thing in a wrong way. So at that time you could say that I didn't mean that. The meaning what I was saying was something else but you are getting that wrong. So that's why I'm saying that I didn't mean that. मेरा कहने का वो मतलब नहीं था. Okay, now the next sentence is what you can say, I am just double checking. It means you are facing any kind of situation or you are searching about something and you got that thing. So at that time you're saying that I'm just double checking. So it's a kind of professional sentence and you can use it at your work when you are doing any kind of project or work. So at that time you can say that I'm just double checking. Okay, I am just double checking. So that's all for today. We have learned 5 sentences which we can use in our daily life. And thank you for today. And if you have learned something from this video, then like it, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends who are eager to learn English. And if you are really learning something from my videos, then please like it, subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.